Artificial intelligence is based in AI marketing and growth, and is a full-service marketing and growth agency that leverages artificial intelligence to drive business results for our clients. We specialize in using AI-powered marketing tools to identify target audiences, personalize messaging and content, optimize ad spend, and measure campaign success. In an interview, our founder Messiah Bishop stated, "Artificial intelligence will always be at its core dedicated to the artist first. I founded this company as a struggling artist myself. This company is not about financial gain. I care about the creative soul that lives within us all." Inspiring words that I could not agree with more. I'm sure by now you're probably asking yourself, what is this artificial intelligence? Well, artificial intelligence has seamless integration with most popular social media outlets. Use the content generated to quickly create meaningful content for lasting engagement. All of the content generated with artificial intelligence is able to be copywritten and considered unique. Everything you create with artificial intelligence is your art. Express with freedom. With artificial intelligence, you can better express yourself with its ease of use. Let me ask you a question. Have you been struggling to find a satisfying amount of growth in your audience? Instead of struggling, find you are able to easily grow a platform you can be proud of. Artificial intelligence is an all-in-one tool. So, rather than pay small subscriptions across many websites, find full function within all of artificial intelligence products as a pro subscription license holder.
You might be asking yourself, what is the difference between artificial intelligence and everyone else? Well, let me show you a few things. You as the artist are the most important thing in all of this, right? This is your art, and I'm sure it has tremendous value and helps you express and show this world who you are. Well, not only does artificial intelligence want to support that by helping you be the best artist you can possibly be. Using artificial intelligence will always be a fair price, and you as our customer will only ever be asked to pay your monthly subscription for services, or if you prefer to purchase the software key from which you would like to use. I think you'll agree for all that artificial intelligence offers, for a basic subscription, which is only $24.99, you will receive tons of features and value such as a monthly newsletter updating you on the newest innovations, our seamless social media integration, a private Discord community for artificial intelligence subscribers, as well as educational content on using our tools, such as checked prompt lists, guides on how to prompt ALLE image generation, and complete SEO and keyword optimization. To access the rest of our features such as social media automation, the use of our Moe-size chatbot, or other unique softwares, you will need to be a pro subscriber. Because you are lucky enough to be an artificial intelligence subscriber, your art will become better due to our tools, which will in turn lead to your inevitable success. Because you found success independently instead of selling out to a mainstream alternative. You become independently wealthy, who owns all of your art. You're the owner of this business. With independence in your art, you will become happy, filled with self-worth, knowing you were able to overcome impossible odds and found victory. Congratulations! Now, on the other hand, using our competitors' services, you would find that you are flooded with subscription fees that make the same achievement impossible. SEO and keywording services sometimes costing in upwards of $100 a month, and this is just one tool. On top of the cost it would take, it would be quite a daunting task to try and organize the usage of all of these services in a usable way. Due to all of these factors combined, you naturally have less money, more stress, and I hate to say your art would be affected as well, which lead to doubt in your art and possibly even yourself, and you would begin to need the labels to be your saving grace, which would lead to you making poor decisions, even signing contracts that give away the rights to the art that you yourself created. Then let's say you were one of those quote lucky people unquote, and you were able to get signed to a record label or mainstream outlet. You would have found this by working long hours into the night to achieve success. But here you are successful with no control over, you are a slave to a corporation trying to profit off of your expression, which oftentimes are made out of poor contracts made by lawyers who are not advocating for you. This ends you up where many artists end up broke or owing your label or outlet money given in advances. This hardly feels like a win, am I wrong?
Here we will go over some of the key features of our artificial intelligence softwares. For Dream It's Me VST3 plugin, to summarize its function, the code is programmed in a C++ class that creates a plugin for digital audio workstations using the VST3 audio plugin. This is the code for the user interface of a VST3 audio plugin called Dream It's Me.
Hello, I just wanted to take a second to go into a little deeper detail about the Dream It's Me VST3 plugin. From Artificial Intelligence, I hope you are as excited about Dream It's Me as we here at Artificial Intelligence. We think that this is going to change the way that artists make music and is by far our greatest innovation and gift to the artist yet. An opportunity to sound like your favorite artist. So you're telling me I get a vocal template that actually sounds like my favorite artist and I am going to sound like them, and I am allowed to use it to make music. Am I dreaming? This has got to be too good to be true. Well, yes and no. Building a functioning neural network is a daunting task. It takes thousands, sometimes millions of pieces of data for a model to learn it properly. We think in this everyone wins. Developers will get to sell their tools more, being part of the list that are AI calls from, which in turn will inspire great creations, as people don't have to be hindered any longer by lack of mixing knowledge and are shown a path to making hit music. Help us to achieve our dream of a deep learning model that can make you sound like any artist you would like and offer you the freedom to focus on creating. Wow, am I right? The Dream It's Me VST3 plugin is a powerful tool for musicians and producers looking to improve their vocal sound and match it to their favorite artists. The plugin is compatible with all popular DAWs, including Florida Studio, Ableton, and Pro Tools. The plugin's vocal analyzing tool can take in up to 8 input tracks from the artist you want to sound like. The neural network model then analyzes the input tracks to determine the vocal patterns, pitch, and other characteristics that make the artist's voice unique. Based on this analysis, the plugin generates a plan and an exact list of plugins that could be used to match the vocal patterns together. The plugin gives users the option to use the equalization tool that exists in the DAW or to purchase the suggested plugins. If the user decides to purchase the plugins, they can requery the plugin to check if all suggested plugins are available. If so, the plugin then uses AI equalization and pattern matching to apply the suggested plugins to the user's voice and create a vocal template that can be used to sing and create songs. The Dream It's Me VST3 plugin offers users the ability to match their voice to their favorite artists, helping them to create and expand their sound. With this plugin, users no longer have to dream about sounding like their favorite artists, they can make it a reality. Attention all software developers and individuals inspired by the world of AI. We are Artificial Intelligence, a new startup company that is dedicated to creating powerful yet affordable AI tools for artists and musicians. Our goal is to create tools that will help defeat mainstream abuse and empower artists to create and share their work with the world. We are looking for software developers who are passionate about AI and its potential to transform the world of art. If you have experience in AI development, machine learning, or programming, we would love to hear from you. We are also seeking individuals who understand our mission and are interested in investing or sponsoring our company to help us achieve our goals. If you are passionate about art and the power of AI, we want to hear from you. We believe that by working together, we can create tools that will revolutionize the world of art and make it more accessible to everyone. If you would like to learn more about our founder, Messiah Bishops, and his music, please search for him on any social media platform at Messiah Bishops Imagination or Messiah Bishop Music. To contact us, please send an email to messiah@artificialintelligenceai.com. We can't wait to hear from you and work together to create a better world for artists and musicians. So stay intelligent, all you artists out there. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Dream It's Me by Artificial Intelligence. Our team is dedicated to creating powerful and affordable AI tools that empower artists and musicians to create and share their work with the world. We are grateful for your interest in our company and our mission, and we hope that you will continue to follow our journey as we develop new tools and technologies that transform the world of art. Thank you for your support and interest, and we look forward to working with you to create a better world for artists and musicians. Back to your hosts.
Connects by way of MySQL database. The plugin provides an equalization feature that can be used in manual or automatic mode using artificial intelligence. ChatGPT, a language model created by OpenAI. I am designed to answer questions, provide assistance, and engage in conversations with users in a natural and human-like way. I use a combination of advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to understand and interpret natural language queries and generate appropriate responses. DALL-E is a state-of-the-art image generation system developed by OpenAI that can generate high-quality, diverse, and creative images from textual descriptions. It is named after the artist Salvador Dali, and the Pixar character Wall-E, who embodies creativity and resourcefulness. DALL-E uses a powerful neural network architecture that combines language and image processing techniques to create images from textual descriptions. Last but not least, this Mo-Side AI chatbot provides a simple example of how to use OpenAI's GPT-3 API to implement a conversational AI. By storing user data and generating responses using GPT-3, the chatbot is able to handle user interactions and respond in a natural and engaging way. The artificial intelligence Mo-Side AI chatbot is a social media management tool that can help individuals and businesses optimize their social media presence. Here are some of its key features and benefits. Scheduling. Mo-Side AI allows users to schedule posts on multiple social media platforms in advance. This means that you can create and schedule your content for the entire week or even a month, saving you time and effort. Content library. Mo-Side AI has a built-in library that stores all your past posts and content. Output is given by way of email with a summary of the bot's interaction with your customer and using Google's API to set any appointments made directly into Google Calendars. Their area limitless amount of applications as your chatbot learns your audience and you can teach it with your own prompts and input. We also have several other applications coming for Android, iPhone, and picture editors that you wouldn't believe. At Artificial Intelligence, we are dedicated to making a platform where the artist can not only better express themselves, but also find an alternative to the all-too-common victimization and abuse that is practiced by art industry workers and businesses alike. You have to remember as a label or representative of your art. They work for you, making money off your art that you worked hard to make. These are your expressions and you should be the one to profit and control the way it is put into the world. That is what we hear at Artificial Intelligence. So go to artificialintelligenceai.com, sign up for our mailing list, which is free, and consider subscribing to our network today. Good luck all you art intelligent artists. Everyone at Artificial Intelligence would like to thank you for taking the time to learn about our product.
And we look forward and hope you decide Artificial Intelligence will be your choice in social media and artistry growth optimization agency. Welcome to the community,